Hello, today we will guide you through how to integrate GoCanvas with QuickBooks Online. We'll be using Make, an automation platform, to bring these two tools together so your mobile data from GoCanvas can work seamlessly with your accounting in QuickBooks Online. Start by opening Make and heading to the main dashboard. From here, create a new scenario. This opens a blank canvas where you'll add the apps you want to connect. As a helpful habit, consider giving your scenario a clear, descriptive name so it's easy to find and maintain later. In the app search, type QuickBooks and select the QuickBooks Online app. On the list of available modules, choose Create an Invoice. This module is designed to build a new invoice in your QuickBooks Online company, which is perfect when you want to turn field data into billable records. You'll see options for things like the customer, invoice date, terms, and line items. You don't need to fill those out right now. Just know that this module will later accept information that can come from GoCanvas, such as job details, amounts, and notes. If this is your first time using QuickBooks Online and Make, you may be prompted to authorize the connection. Follow the on-screen instructions and make sure you're connecting to the correct company. Next, search for GoCanvas in the app list and select it. From the available actions, pick Create a Dispatch. A dispatch in GoCanvas lets you pre-fill a specific mobile form and assign it to a user or device so work is ready to go in the field. This pairs well with invoicing because the information you dispatch, like customer name, job address, services to perform, or reference numbers, can align with the invoice you plan to create in QuickBooks. Again, you'll fine-tune the specific fields later. For now, the goal is simply to add the GoCanvas Create a Dispatch module to your scenario. The order you've added these modules is fine, and you can always drag to reposition them as your logic takes shape. Think about the direction of data. Decide what should originate from GoCanvas and what should end up in QuickBooks. A good practice is to keep required fields top of mind. Prepare a small test record for each side and use clear labels for any fields you'll map. If your organization uses a testing environment or a sample customer in QuickBooks, that's a safe way to validate results before going live. That's it. You've placed the QuickBooks Online, Create an Invoice module, and the GoCanvas Create a Dispatch module into a new Make scenario, setting the foundation for a streamlined, reliable integration.